and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing the February cloth and paper subscription box. Alright, and for this box I do want to preface that I did switch to the personal style inserts instead of the A5, so just so y'all are aware, but let's go ahead and open everything up. So this time everything came bagged together, and then you also have a little notebook over here. So let's start with the notebook. So this is the spiral graph notebook. Here it is without the vellum, with the glass when you first look at it. And then when you open it up, there is a clear vellum page. And then you have your graph. And then up front, it does tell you that it's a graph note, Pocket Plus, 100 pages. And you have the C&P logo over here. And then here is inside of the notebook. So I think this is really cute. I really like the size. I feel like it's different and it's like a good compact notebook that you can take with you. I also like that they have kind of like a cover page, so you can probably use this as like a table of contents if you want this to be a little bit more structured. I'm probably going to leave this by my desk and then just use it to jot down notes. After the notepad, you have two new dashboards. So this is the Muse set, and it says it's to get you inspired. So you have a like glass plastic one, and then a darker one with a definition, and then you can layer it, and that actually looks pretty cute. I don't think I'm gonna keep this just because I don't think I'll use it, but I do think that it is a cute combo. After that, we have the new finance bundle. So you have a how to use page. Let me zoom up just a little bit. There we go. And then you have your first dashboard with a quote and a note page. And then you get your monthly budget set up. So it has total budget, actual difference, and then different categories. And then you get, and this is for a year, so there's enough for a year. But then you have your next dashboard, notes, and then you have reoccurring payments. So this is broken up into income, bills, and description. Next dashboard with a note page, and this is your expense log. After that, you get non-essential spending, again with a notes page. So on here you have date, description, amount, budget, actual difference, and then any notes. After that, you get the savings challenge. So for these, it breaks it down into weeks, the amount that you're going to deposit, and then the account balance. Then you get, it looks like a few sets of that. And then you get a note page, and then you have a savings tracker with the starting and ending balance. After that, you get your portfolio allocation. And you get 2 sets of those. Then you get your financial reflections. There's a little title at the bottom also so that you know what's coming up. So if your notes, you get a reflect monthly, break down the weeks, and then add any additional information. You can also track what you've paid off. And then you get 12 of those. I like that there's a note page with each one. This is starting to be really messy. And then you have your resources and tools. And that just lists out any account numbers, names, usernames, and passwords, so you keep everything all together. And then you have a few note pages. So that is the new refreshed, new finance bundle refreshed layout. I will be destashing this on the cloth and paper sub box page because I'm not going to use the personal size, as well as probably those dashboards as I mentioned. So we have that. Let's zoom back out and then go over the rest of what's inside. So after that, you have the new note to self sticky notes. This is a matte sticky note. It is 3 by 3 inches. You get 50 sheets, and this is the new macchiato color. So it's just a grid, and then you have a subject and date. I think these are really cute. I really like that they say subject and date. I'm probably definitely going to use these for school. You also get a mini memo notepad. So this is dot grid. You have a date section, and then it is 2.25 by 3.5 inches, and it is 50 sheets. And again, this is a notepad, not sticky notes. I'll probably destash this because I don't really need a notepad this small. And then you have your journaling cards. So you have your monthly view for April. And then you have your quote card and your something new quote card. And let me again zoom in. And then that is everything in this box. So I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but it's because there's 2 big items, right? So you have that notebook, and then you also have the finance bundle. So keeping that in mind. But yeah, overall I like this box. I'm not going to use this size. So I am going to destash it. Don't really like this style. I'm going to destash these. I'll keep the notebook, the sticky notes. I'm going to destash the memo pad. And then I'll probably include the quote cards because I don't really use them when I destash, so people can have those if we use them. So yeah, other than that, that is everything that comes inside the February subscription box, and that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.